I welcome you to this channel. On this channel, we talk about airdrop, crypto, and other legit platforms. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on that notification bell so you will get notified when we post our next video. And for sponsorship or advertisement, just contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. The link to my WhatsApp and Telegram are in the description below. I'm your host, Shina Oladele. Alright guys, let's dive into today's video. Alright guys, in this video, I want to show you how to actually make use of Bitget Wallet. Once you can understand how to make use of Bitget Wallet, that means you are good to go in making use of any other kind of wallet, be it Trust Wallet, be it MetaMask, Binance Wallet, OKS Wallet, because all of them actually follow the same process. So I just created this wallet now on Bitget app. So the first thing you have to do is that you should get your seed phrase for the wallet you just created. How can you do that? Just come to this place here. You come here, you click on the arrow here. I click on it. Then here you see switch wallet, you see management. You click on management. So I want to get my seed phrase for this wallet here. So you click on this pencil here. You click on the pencil here. I've clicked on it. So you can see wallet name, profile picture, private key, all those things. So you can just come here. You can click on wallet name and customize this wallet. Let me click on wallet name. Then we click on custom name. Custom name. I click on it. Then let me type it. Let me call it colorless ink. Colorless ink. You can call it anything actually. I click on confirm. So I have named this wallet as a colorless ink. So I want to get my seed phrase for this wallet, and you must save your seed phrase. It's very important. So just click on view seed phrase. I click on view seed phrase. You let it load small. Then you click on view seed phrase again. I click on it. Then you enter your PIN here. Then you can see tap here to view the seed phrase. So you type this icon here to view your seed phrase. Once you have tapped the icon here, it will show you your 12 seed phrase. Make sure that you write it down. Do you get it now? You should write it down and you should save it in a place that you can easily access, because in the future, if you want to access this account in the future and you don't know your seed phrase, that means you have lost your access to this wallet, and it means a total loss of your fund. So save your seed phrase where you can easily see it so you can make use of it in the future. That's how to get your seed phrase on Bitget Wallet. So the next thing now, let's say all the coins you are buying, they are actually under BNB Smart Chain Network. But as you can see here, this one is not BNB Smart Chain Network. This is an Ethereum network. So you have to change this network from Ethereum to BNB Smart Chain Network. You click on this place here. I click on it. Then you can see Solana, Ethereum, Morph, BNB Chain. So you click on BNB Chain. You click on BNB chain. All right, so on my BNB chain, I have just $5 on this wallet. So that is how to actually make use of your Bitget wallet, how to register on it and get your seed phrase. So this is a BNB smart chain. If you want to get your BNB address on this Bitget wallet, just come here. Just click on the BNB here. You can either click on BNB here or just come here and click on this rectangular icon here. They all mean the same thing. They are of the same character. So just click on BNB here. You click on BNB here. Then you come down, you see receive. You see transfer. You click on receive. So after you have clicked on receive, just click on this rectangular icon here to copy the address. I have copied the address now. So any coin that is under BNB Smart Chain, they all have the same wallet address. Do you get that, guys? Let's say you have like 10 coins under this BNB Smart Chain here. All of them have the same wallet address. Now, the next thing is that what if I want to buy any coin here under BNB Smart Chain? I have made a video about how you can buy any coin from PancakeSwap. Just come to this place here. You click on discover here and you type PancakeSwap here. So I will drop that video under the comment box of this video. So however, you can also buy any coin by just coming to this place here. You just click on trade here. You click on trade, then you come here. You click on this place here to select this one as a BNB smart chain. I click on it. You can see Ethereum, you can see BNB chain. So I click on BNB chain. That means the coin I want to buy is actually under BNB chain. So I can click on BNB chain here. I will click on it. That means I want to use my BNB to buy a certain coin here. So let me come down here and just select a coin. I click here. So these are the coins under BNB smart chain here. And if you have the contract address of the coin you want to buy, just copy that contract address and paste it here. Let me buy a coin now. I want to buy XMT. I will just paste the contract address here. I click on it and I paste it. I've already copied the contract address from XMT. I just click on it here. I click on it. Then you can see the token is not audited and listed by Bitget Wallet. Please be aware of the risk. So I just click on import token. Import token. That I want to buy how much? I'm having 0.005 BNB. Let me just buy 0.003. 003. All right, so that's what $2.94. So I click on trade. I click on trade. So you can see here now, provider is what? This one is giving me the best provider. Provider is what? Is PancakeSwap version 2. So I click on confirm. I type my password here. So I've typed my password, it's still rolling. All right, so swap successful. So let me go and check my wallet now. It should be there by now. So you can see here now, XMT. I have bought it, $2 worth of XMT. All right, guys, I hope you find this video very valuable. Thanks for watching, guys, and let us meet in my next video.